today we are going to the Calgary Stampede. Yeehaw! If you don't know what the Calgary Stampede is, if you don't know where Calgary even is, it's like basically the Texas of Canada. So there's this rodeo thing going on at the showgrounds, and we kind of got dressed up for it just to look the part basically. So we basically went to a thrift shop yesterday, and we got some things for like so cheap. I got a red flannel thing and some shorts. Good morning. She's wearing her shorts, chucks, I'm wearing my chucks, and a vest. Yeah. Can you get your sunnies? I don't think we're in a rush. Yeah. Hold the bus.
Stop doing that head thing, man. Stop. Oh, this guy's getting on top of this guy. I'm gonna eat you.
So we obviously got kicked out. We didn't get kicked out. Did we get kicked out? It was cool, but like it was just basically like our Easter show. So it was basically nothing really fancy for us.
All I got from that show was 2 stamps. And I paid $8 for a corn.
And I paid $8 for an ice cream. I think I just broke the hand conditioner.
Oh, great.
I think I broke it. Why is it making that sound?
Kicked out of a radio show, kicked out of a hotel, kicked out of a
Alright, bye.
Bye.